There they are, ladies and gentlemen, the high-flying colors of your USASOC parachute demonstration team, the Black Daggers. The parachutes used by our demonstration team are flexible wing gliders. They are constructed of lightweight ripstop nylon. These parachutes have an inherent forward airspeed of 20 miles per hour. To turn left, the jumper pulls down on the left steering line. To turn right, the jumper pulls down on the right steering line. As the jumper nears the ground to prepare to land, they pull down on both steering lines simultaneously, flaring the parachute for a safe and soft, on-time, on-target landing. Now, as you may have guessed, these jumpers are faced with a unique situation, a traffic jam in the sky. They must gain vertical separation to allow for individual approaches into the target area. This is accomplished by pulling the front part of the parachute down and spiraling at speeds in excess of 60 miles per hour to set up a stack, just like you might see at a busy airport. As their jumpers maneuver their parachutes in the sky, they must constantly maintain altitude awareness as well as their relative location to the target. At approximately 1,000 feet, the jumpers perform a wind penetration check to determine the speed and flight characteristics of their canopies under the current conditions. Each jumper will set up for a landing by flying a downwind leg, a base leg 90 degrees to the landing area, and face into the wind on this final approach. There he is, flying in the flag of the Arlington Park Raceway. He is a Special Forces Weapons Sergeant with over 1,500 parachute jumps, hailing from Midland, Texas, Sergeant First Class David Rose. Flying in the USO flag, a parachute maintenance technician from Lodi, California, with over 1,500 jumps. That is Sergeant Anthony Galusha. And flying in solemnly, the PLW MIA flag. He is a Green Beret, a Special Forces Medical Sergeant with over 18,000 parachute jumps. Hailing from Long Island, New York, Staff Sergeant Jason Spinicchia. This concludes our performance for this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of the entire team, I would like to thank each and every one of you for giving us this opportunity. And in closing, we leave you with this: the men and women of the United States Army Special Operations Command remain on point for the nation. God bless America.